Bam! Welcome back. Look what we got. Woo! Finally, Christmas came early for me. We got ourselves a CUBIC Mini. That's the Grizzly, the bigger one of the two. I just lit it up for the inaugural burn. They say to burn it outside to let the paint cure. So while that's doing its thing, I'm going to sneak up on the roof and cut myself out a hole. What are you doing, Cash Boy? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Curious as to where the daddy is. Oh, I'm in love with it already. Okay, let's go cut ourselves a hole up on the roof. Okay, up on the roof, up on the rooftop. Getting into the Christmas spirit. I went to the Walmart and got myself a cheap jigsaw. I've already made a little hole from the inside. So hopefully this goes well. Yikes. Okay, well that was easier than I thought, but I can't get it out. So I'm gonna have to go back down and punch it through from the bottom. So being up here now I see why I don't get much solar, because my air conditioner blocks that one. Oh boy. Welcome to winter. Unfortunately, we still have some snow. We're still at the rest area. There's the rest of the fam jam. Bob's not here. He's gone into town to do some groceries. Hopefully when he gets back, we'll have a chimney. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Oh, that's why it didn't cut through all the fabric. Maybe it didn't cut. Oh no, it did cut all the way through. Just stuck, I guess. Gonna need two hands. Okay, well, I got that done. Ta-da! Well, there you have it, guys. There's my roof. That's the amount of wood we have. That little tiny bit. The rest is just insulation. Oh, that's why I always get nervous walking up there. Hopefully that ends up being dead center. We'll know in a few minutes. What do you think, Presh? Oh, I'm so excited. Look at it. I have to finish off the roof, but it's in. I'm obsessed with it already. I just love it. What do you think, Presh? What do you think? She don't care. Okay, well, it's another day. The wood stove's in. I even went out and got myself one of those heat-powered fans. Everything's installed. I did screw up a little bit when I cut the hole because the bracket doesn't quite cover it, but I'm sure I can figure that out at a later date. The good news is it doesn't seem to leak. It poured rain all night. As you can see, it's still wet out there. But right now I'm working on filling up these bins with wood. So that's what I'm doing now. I've been using the axe to cut them down in size and then using the jigsaw to cut them even smaller. Yeah, story of my life. Ill prepared. Chimney seems to be doing all right. Actually, maybe we should take a gander up on the roof and see what it looks like. Make sure all the silicone and stuff dried the way it's supposed to. Busy day today here at the rest area. Okay, well, as you can see, the chimney. I was a little leery. I thought for sure that cap was going to come flying off the minute I got onto that highway, but so far so good. I mean, it's wiggly, but whatever. It is what it is. At least it didn't leak on me. Like I said, it was pouring rain all night. No water came in, so that's good. Job well done. Give myself a pat on the back. Now to get down before I fall off. Okay, take 5040. I keep filming the same part over again. It's just not working. Anyways, we got the stove in. Oof, she really kicks out the heat. I'm loving it. Thank God, because look at this. Look what we've got ourselves into. To find out how we got here, you'll have to wait for the next video. But that'll be it for this one. The stove's in. We're nice and warm. The dogs are loving it. Cash is fast asleep. Preshy's on my chest because that's just what she likes to do. But if you have any comments about the stove or any questions or what have you, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.